Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for December 12th, 2016. And a mixed bag of precipitation moved through overnight. That's going to be ending as rain from west to east this morning. Be very early exit, though. I don't think it's going to be hanging around too long, and we should start to clear from west to east as this system moves out of here. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulated radar. We'll start this off at 6 a.m. You can still see some rain showers across the eastern sections here, and that will continue off to the east and end quickly. Here's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're just about off of just about everywhere it's had as exit at this point, except for southern New Jersey and parts of Delaware. So this will continue off to the south and east during the course of, right around noon or early afternoon at the latest for the far southeastern areas. But generally just in the morning from northwest to southeast, this will end and be out of here. And it will end as rain, and we're expecting that to, again, end late morning to as late as early afternoon in the far southeastern areas. Here's a look at later in the day then once this clears out. We'll have high pressure move in behind this, so Tuesday's going to be a nice day. Temperatures will be kind of hanging right around normal, maybe slightly below. And then we get into Wednesday, more of the same. Now we have this system here we were watching we were watching a couple days ago. Some of the models were indicating that we're going to get some snow out of this. This is now expected to stay off to our south and just head out in this direction here. Once that moves south, this is when, look at Wednesday morning. Again, assuming it's not hitting us and nothing changes, that just heads out to sea. However, if you look off to the north, we have another little clipper-like system that's going to bring a very, very powerful cold front through the region, and that's going to come through, looks like overnight Wednesday night and early Thursday, and it's going to mean business when it does so. Temperatures on Thursday and Friday are going to be very, very cold, extremely cold for this time of year. And here's a look at that front actually coming through. Here's on Wednesday night. The frontal boundary is actually sitting back here like this. I might have some precipitation break out ahead of it. This will be in the form of snow showers. I know it's showing some red, some green down here. That's probably not right. This is overnight Wednesday night. It will be cold enough to support snow. So a few snow showers with this. Not a lot, but it could be a few snow showers moving through. And you can see that here. Here's a look at Thursday morning. And you see some more now this is going to be wraparound lake effect snow showers at this point. Streamers off the lakes, and you could have a few snow showers and snow squalls on Thursday behind this front. And that could get pretty far eastward. You can see that here on Thursday afternoon continuing. So Thursday we're going to call this a mostly cloudy day across the region. And we're going to have the opportunity for those widely scattered snow showers and perhaps a heavier squall. And that's about all you get. No big midweek storm. We will be watching, though, and here's a look at the overnight period on Thursday night and early Friday morning. This goes away as high pressure moves back in. We're going to be watching the system behind this, though. This is a very strong, very, very strong Arctic front. Again, temperatures are not going to get out of the 20s. 20s for highs, it looks like, for most places. Some places might get out of the teens by the time we get to Thursday and Friday. So it's going to be very, very cold. Single digits for lows. And then we get into Saturday here. We have to watch this system very, very closely because it does look like it's going to be cold enough for snow regardless of the track of the system. This looks like another one of those overrunning events, but you see it's cold enough for snow across the region here. Area low pressure out to the west. There's a boundary out like this is going to push through again. Probably change this over to rain at some point after a mixture, but this is going to be very, very cold to start. It's going to take a long time. The antecedent cold that's going to be in place is going to be colder than what we just dealt with yesterday's system, or last night's system. It was cold, didn't get very warm yesterday. Overnight it took a while to get the temperatures back up. This is going to be even more difficult. I think this is going to be one of those systems that's going to be, it might change to rain eventually, and it's showing that models are showing this system cutting to the west here and then cutting to our west. This is not set in stone either. It might just be forced a little bit further south with that cold air in place. We have to watch this closely. This, again, Saturday night. It might not change to rain like the models are indicating right now, but even if it does, you're going to have a very prolonged period of snow and then going over to a wintry mix. And I think it's everywhere. Everywhere starts off as snow. It'll be definitely cold enough across the region. We'll have to keep a very close eye on this because this could turn into be one of those systems like we just dealt with yesterday. A little bit more moisture to work with this time, though. So, again, we're going to keep a close eye on this. We'll discuss in the forum, and that's going to be the advanced discussion. We'll do the model analysis starting today, most likely, if that everything holds. and then we'll keep the public aware of what's going on later in the week when something becomes a little bit more imminent. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for December 12th, 2016. Have a great Monday.